Hey guys, and welcome. I'm Mark, one of the chefs here at Veneziano Richmond, and we know that you might not be able to get to your mother's this Mother's Day, but that doesn't mean she can't enjoy breakfast in bed. So we put together a coffee and granola pack. We've got our new Bond Street release for 2020, and we've also got our house-made granola, which is gluten-free and vegan. So we start by around 2 scoops is what we do. So I mean, you can do whatever you like, obviously. More or less, it's up to you. But we do around 2 or 3 scoops, and we do like a little crescent shape like this. And then we just go in with some fresh fruit. Whatever you got at home is great. I've just got some strawberries here, and we've got some kiwi fruit, and we've got a little bit of mango as well. So whatever your favorite fruits are. And even if you can't find fresh stuff at the moment because it's kind of hard to get to the supermarkets, you can always use some frozen fruit just to frost it as well. Is a good idea. And we like to go in with a few cashews as well. Of course, any nut allergies, leave these off. And you can also use your favorite milk, so you can go with oat milk or any alternatives, it's up to you, or even your favorite yogurt. I've got some coconut yogurt here. And you can try and be fancy and cornell it, or you can put it straight on top like that. I'm sure your mother will love you either way. And we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of lemon thyme. Sorry, not lemon thyme, lemon balm. And that's how we serve our granola here at the cafe. And we just wanted to wish all the beautiful mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. And if you do want to spoil her, we are selling this online at venezianocoffee.com.au, and happy Mother's Day.